Welcome to Better Bones, guys. I have with me Dr. Dan Elmore from Adjusted Wellness down in High Point. He is one of High Point's premier chiropractors. He's a practitioner of the Gonstead technique, which we'll learn more about. But we are announcing a partnership where we're going to be doing a series of workshops to explore bone health. It's a vast topic, and so we want to break it up into a series so that you guys can digest it. So speaking of digestion, Dr. Elmore, what are you going to be focusing on at our first workshop?
Yeah, so one thing that's really underrated in the community of healthcare, really honestly, is nutrition.
Yes.
And I specifically go for things like leaky gut and how if you have a leaky gut at all, we got to evaluate for that, and then also we got to treat it. And that's where I come in as a licensed physician. Is my job is to take care of that leaky gut to make it so that it's not so leaky anymore, and that way it's taking inflammation that doesn't need to be there away and making it so it supports your whole system, your intestines as well as your brain, and then as well as your bones.
Very good. And I will be focusing on the difference between density and structure and how figuring out the difference between density and structure can help you stay off the bone meds. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, please come on out on the 11th. The time is yet to be announced, but check our social media for that announcement. And in the meantime, invite everyone you know who wants to find out how to keep their bones healthy. From me and Dr. Elmore, thanks for watching.